Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blagil. In this video, I will show you how to change a user account to administrator on Windows 10 and 11. So first of all, turn on your laptop or PC and go to your settings. Once you are on the settings, you will see similar interface. Then after that, I want you to click on account. Then you will be seeing such an interface where you need to click on family and other users. After that, you will see the account you want to make into an administrator user or account. Then you need to click on this icon. After that, in account options, you will have the option to change account type or remove it. You need to click on change account type. Then after that, you will be seeing such a prompt. Then you need to click on administrator and click on OK. After that, that user will become administrator or administration account on Windows 10. That's all guys. I will see you in next video. If you want more such tutorials, make sure to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.